So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can beat Redbubble tag spammers, plus answering a lot of your questions. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. If you are new around here and you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is switched on. We've helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And for any sort of extra information, I do actually have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, alongside a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to make this into more of a full-time thing. As for today, I'm going to be answering your Redbubble questions, and if you have a question that you want to ask, you can always leave it down in the comment section and it may be answered in a future video. Jumping straight into this, we have Sayem saying, I've uploaded some snowflakes, Santa pattern based designs, and 26 of them went under review as Redbubble assumed that my design fell under the partner program. And after the review, 22 of the designs came back with 4 still in review. I checked the partner program and saw nothing like that, or nothing to do with what they designed, I'm guessing. Can you please tell me why this happened? Okay, so the main reason this happened is because Redbubble will pick up on keywords you use in your tags that are linked to something they may think falls under trademark. It doesn't even have to be something within their partner program. Maybe in the past, companies may have emailed Redbubble about certain keywords, so Redbubble pretty much tracks that into their algorithm, and whenever the algorithm sees keywords like that in tags or titles, they pick up on it, and that's what pretty much leads to the reviews. Now in most cases, things usually come off the reviews fairly quickly, as what happened with your 22 designs, but as for the 4 that are still in review, Redbubble sometimes misses out on a few designs, but then after a while they usually come back, so don't worry too much about that. Next up, we have Cheaton saying, I will make patterns for backpack, iPhone cases, etc. for these niches. Is it worth it? So in terms of if it's worth, putting pattern designs on the products you've just mentioned, I would say yes. The main reason it's worth it is because you can still potentially get sales, but don't just put any random patterns. Do your research, make sure that you're finding things that are actually trending, things people are actually searching for. A pro tip for increasing sales on backpacks or iPhone cases is to see what iPhone cases and backpacks other people are selling, is to look around, get inspiration through things that are already doing well, and this will allow you to kind of get a good idea of what to cover in terms of your patterns. Next up, we have S. Rashid saying, how do we gain visibility amongst all the tag spam that is happening right now? So pretty much, how can you beat tag spammers? Now there's a very simple solution to this. Now with tag spammers, they're people that look for keywords that are trending, that are popular, and that are pretty much easy to find. Now on Redbubble, when you search for trending niches by just typing a letter, for example A, in the search bar, there'll be some trending keywords, so 3 trending keywords under A. Tag spammers will jump on those things as soon as possible. So if you want to beat tag spammers, you want to do a little bit more research, you want to go a little bit further, and that way you will come across niches that have low competition without that many people tag spamming on them. If you want to use the Redbubble keyword search method, instead of putting A, you would put AB or ABE, and then you'd look through those keywords, and whichever keywords you'd find, you'd look for words in relation to those keywords and then make designs under those things. Doing this will pretty much put you up against next to no tag spammers, allowing you to actually have a chance of getting more sales. The only downside is that it increases your time in terms of research, but at the end of the day, it all pays off as you in turn end up actually making some money for yourself and increasing the sales that you actually get. In my opinion, that's the best way to beat tag spammers at the moment, but I know it's something that's unfortunate, it's hard to get around. But yes, that method I've just mentioned there is probably going to be the fastest way of doing it. Next up, we have Christina saying, from which site app are we allowed to combine graphics in order to create sticker packs, either for free or paid ones? Would love to know. Now, I've actually made a video showing how to make sticker packs, so I'll link that down in the description. If it's not there, let me know down in the comments, guys. So yeah, you can actually make sticker packs for free using photopea.com. I know on Canva they try to make it easy to make sticker packs, but from my own experience, Photopea has been the best site to do it on. I mean, Photopea is pretty much like Photoshop. I only mentioned that because I understand not everyone has Photoshop. It's just a matter of putting set images on a screen, and then obviously you can create sticker packs fairly easily. In fact, I'm pretty sure I've got a sticker pack template linked down in the description for those that want to check that out. We've got Christina once again saying, how much time on average do you invest in one design in terms of niche research, designing, uploading, writing the title, description, tags? So all the things you'd basically do. Now, before I do answer that question, there's also another question there that says, Phil, is there a way to change the thumbnail on Redbubble collections? In terms of the cover photo, she doesn't feel the one she has looks as good. I'll get on to answering that after this first question. As for the first question, I mean, I don't ever look at it as in niche research for one design. I mainly do niche research for a design that could be turned into many designs, mainly because that's the best way to pretty much spend my time. I work mainly on scalable designs rather than singular designs now. And when it comes to making my descriptions, my titles, it's very, very easy to change, as most of it is similar. It's just changing keywords. That way it matches up whichever niche that I'm in. So, I mean, in terms of uploading designs daily, it would probably take me maybe an hour and a half at most. So it's not too hard, and that's for a lot of designs. So if you want to split that up into singular designs, maybe it could drop down to about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. A design is probably less. And in terms of changing the thumbnail and the collections, you want to go into manage portfolio, you want to go into your collections, and they actually show you a little purple box that says set a cover image for your collection by clicking on the setting tool and then select edit and choose the design you would like to feature. And you can actually select which design you want to be the front image. This is the easiest, quickest way to do it. So yeah, try that out and let me know how that works for you. And then we've got Maha here saying, can you make a video on how to withdraw money on Redbubble to your bank? Now, instead of making a video, I thought I'll just quickly explain it because it's fairly simple to do. When you create a Redbubble account and you're setting up your settings, there's actually a payment information section, so you can either link it to PayPal or to your bank account. If you select a bank account, you literally just need to put your bank information details. Once you put those details in, when it does come to payday, they'll literally just pay the money through to that account. The money doesn't come in on the exact pay date like it would if you had PayPal. Sometimes it can come in a week after the actual given pay date that Redbubble pays out on. So that's something to bear in mind. But yeah, it's very, very easy to do. If you want to see more questions answered, watch this video right here. And if you made it this far, comment down more Q&As. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.